Hey, thanks for joining us. This is Aaron coming to you from MarineMax in Clearwater, here to tell you about our trade, a 2015 Scarab Jetboat 255. We custom built this boat for the first owner, and it has absolutely every option that was available in 2015. So this is the HOI package, has the upgraded trim, all the soft goods in the interior match the exterior. Powered by twin Rotax 250 horsepower motors for a total of 500 horsepower. Got all the courtesy lights inside our kicker audio speakers, underwater lights on the boat, and just the real estate on this boat is absolutely incredible. It's a 25-foot boat, great modular seating. Got the port opened up here, starboard. That seat opens up or closes like this position here as well. So, and the first owner did add a Garmin GPS and chart plotter. But just a very sexy, sleek boat, great seating. Does have a head here on the port side as well, so swing by MarineMax Clearwater. Stop by for your test drive on our 2015 Scarab 255, offered by MarineMax Clearwater.